Today we're looking at this battery snow shovel, and this is the Voltask 24V model. This thing is a beast, ton of power, nice and light. This Voltask has one feature that if you're buying any other model of snow shovel, you need to make sure that snow shovel has this feature. This Voltask comes with everything you need to start blowing snow immediately. It comes with the components to build the snow shovel, but also comes with a 4 Ah battery and a charger. Just follow the instructions to put this together. It's really easy. But if you want a more detailed description on how to assemble this Voltask 24V snow shovel, go down in the description below and check out my full video on how to assemble this particular model here. This particular Voltask has a 13-inch wide pass, 6-inch deep clearing ability, really capable tool. It's not designed for doing large driveways, it's designed for doing smaller areas, but you can use it on a driveway if you need be. But a snow blower is probably going to become more usable at 6 inches and above or larger areas. And something I noticed very early on when assembling this tool is that it's made of plastic. Don't worry, you may be thinking you need to have a really heavy duty tool just like you have for snow blowers, but that's not the case, and I'll explain a little bit later on in the video why this tool is fantastic the way it is, even though it's made of plastic. Let's look at the party piece of this snow shovel, and this is the key feature that you need to make sure any snow shovel you're about to buy has, and it's this handle here which directs these vanes. Now you might be thinking that's a really small thing, but there are a lot of snow shovels out there that don't have these vanes, and all you can do is send snow forward. Now maybe you've got a pathway, you're clearing snow up by a house or vehicles, and you can't fire snow straight ahead of you. You want to turn this handle. It only turns it by maybe 20-30 degrees, but it allows you to fire the snow out to the right side like this, or you turn it the other way and you can go to the left side. This feature here is something that you'll use more often than you think you will, and if you don't have this feature, you're going to be left stranded sometimes where you have to turn around and blow snow in areas that you don't want to blow the snow at. Voltask does come with this 24V battery. It's 4 Ah. There are other Voltask models out there like the 48V model, and all it does is have two of these batteries stacked together. I was able to clear my pathway, my steps, and my driveway on one charge, which is really impressive. I was also messing around a little bit more because I was doing some filming as well, so the battery lasted long enough for what I needed. Now if you have a large driveway property to clear, you may want to get a second battery just so you have the ability to do it all in one pass without having to put the battery on charge and go back outside. I was really impressed with how well it performed. It's also nice and light, so I didn't get tired when I was snow shoveling, blowing, however you want to call it, on this. I was also able to use this on the stairs, which was nice because of the height of this handle. See me here clearing the snow and just blasting it at the retaining wall, and some of it was going up and over, which was really easy and nice to clear because these steps can be a real challenge to clear sometimes, so it's just made it so much easier. If you want to shorten this, you can just remove this middle section here. So when you're assembling it, you can just undo this, put this bottom piece onto the handle here, and you can have it nice and short. Maybe you've got walls to clear, or you have some other area that you want to clear off and you want it to be a little bit more compact. As of filming, the Voltask is the top selling battery powered snow shovel on Amazon, selling 10,000 units in the last 30 days. Pretty impressive. It sold so many that it's actually out of stock right now. Hopefully they get it back in stock so people can get it in time for the next snowstorm. We recently had a 6-inch dumping of snow, and that's what we tested this snow shovel out on first. Had no issues at all clearing this driveway. You can even see behind me all the snow that's left behind the retaining wall that we blasted at it, and you can see here where some areas where I was able to clear this wall when I was blowing the snow. Something that I was really impressed with was its ability to withstand flicking stones out. You heard the stones. There's no damage to the auger, but the stones got fired at the wall. So if you are using one of these snow shovels, don't do it in the direction of glass, cars, houses, anything like that. And that's why having those vanes where you can direct the angle of the snow is really important, and this Voltask has that. Now there are Voltask models out there that don't have these vanes. I would highly recommend you get one with the vanes if you're going to go and buy a Voltask. If you're going to buy any other brand, just make sure that they have the vanes, because you'll just be left stranded. Otherwise, like I was with this Ryobi expanded attachment where I could only fire the snow forward, and then I had to come at weird angles to clear the area. We were able to clear the driveway with no problem at all. We were able to do the stairs like you saw before. We could even do our pathway. I want to test this tool out and see if it could go through the large compacted pile of snow that you end up having at the end of the driveway after the plough's gone past. So that's what we've got here. The only thing that this tool struggled with was the fact I had to do multiple passes, but because it only has a 6-inch deep pass that you can make, I had to do multiple passes, and because it only weighs 9 pounds, it was easy enough to lift it up and then just work my way through this pile at the end of my driveway. Really impressed with how well it handled that. Yes, I had to do more work by lifting it up, but it was so much easier and so much faster than using a traditional shovel. Only took me a few minutes to go through this section of the driveway, which was just impressive. The last test that I wanted to put this snow shovel through was some wet, slushy snow. Now, we had a whole night's worth of rain on top of this 6 inches of snow, and it just left this heavy snow on our path. It's a little more compacted. It's only about 2.5, 3 inches thick here. But I was able to put the Voltask on there and just let it rip, clearing this path. I even tested it out on my lawn. I was able to clear a little bit of a section so that my oil delivery driver could easily get to the fill-up point. Really impressed with this Voltask 24V snow shovel. I didn't know if it was going to be crap or it was going to be really good, and you know what, this thing is fantastic, especially for the money. It's made from plastic, where you might be thinking, hey, it's not going to hold up very well. It doesn't matter. You're not putting a lot of force on this, and you're not putting a lot of pressure on the handle, so you don't need a solid steel handle. If you did have that, it's just going to cost more money. I think it's a really reasonable price for the product you're getting. $130-ish. That's not bad at all for this. The fact it can clear the snow as fast as it did and allow me to go back inside and go about my day without being exhausted, because when you come out and shovel, it can really take it out of you, especially if you've got a large area to shovel. The way it cleared everything off, really happy with that, and the fact you didn't have to put a lot of force behind it is fantastic. If you want to get yourself a Voltask 24V snow shovel, I'll leave one linked in the YouTube product page below so you can get yourself one and save yourself time and energy the next time it snows.